Hi everybody, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to unbox this Flipkart parcel. It's a single parcel, so without wasting your time, let's see. And I ordered this book for one of my students, and she asked me to order a book for her. And this book is very, what can I say, like useful for all the people in the world, and I'm going to do a great deal of hard work here. Look at this. Okay, so here is the book. No bookmark this time. Okay, so You Can Heal Your Life by Louise Hay. I have read this book already, and my student asked me to order this book because one day she actually picked up this book from my shelf, and she felt that she need to read this book. So finally she asked me to order it, and here is the book. It cost me rupees 249 excluding the delivery charge, and you can see the spine here. It's pretty awesome, and at the same time it looks fantastic, guys. It contains 250 pages, including all the things like at the end of the book. I would highly recommend this book for all the readers, those who want to heal their life, both from inside and outside, because it's a book about self-love. It's a book about giving your life a new life. It's all about that. So if you find this book interesting, lovely, good looking, then go and grab a copy for yourself. Till then, you take care and bye.